Students, today now point is about creating and publishing web pages, or we can call it as a blog. So all of you know about what are the web pages. In that web pages there is a one type which is called as a blogs. So there are many people are still confused over what constitutes a blog or shortened form of a web blog over a website. So a blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web. A blog is frequently updated online personal journal or diary. It is a place to express yourself to the world and place to share your thoughts and your passions. The content of blog typically include text, pictures, videos, animated GIF, and even scans from the old physical offline diaries or journals and other hard copy documents. If you want to express your ideas, views, or share related information, then you can create your own blog. So let us see some common features of blogs. So first one, blog entries are posted in reverse chronological order. The order is similar to the backward diary, running from most recent at the top of a page and last recent at the bottom. It means we can call it as it is arranged in a descending order. Blog entries usually include the date and specific time that they were posted. The blogger's name is usually listed with the time stamp. Older blog entries are usually found in an archive. Readers and the blogger can usually comment on a blog entry. Depending upon the blog sites, you may also find other kind of information with the each blog entry, such as the blog entries usually have a title that describe or relatives content of entry. Blog entries can list categories assigned to the by the blogger. Bloggers may choose an icon to represent their current mood. Blogger can include information about song they were listening to when they are wrote a blog entry. Instructions to write blog. The blogger can be written any topic, but considering social and ethical issues, blog contents must be useful and important information. Blogs must be well written. Blogs entries must be appropriate length and well structured. It is extremely important to generate as much conversation and discussion as possible. Next one, readers and bloggers can usually comments on a blog entry. You can use social media like Facebook, Twitter, etc. to make your blog more popular. Blog is not a style, so keep your thoughts concise to the point. Sitting layout of a blog. So there are the header is there, the area in the layout which contains the image at the top of your blog. Then the main content area is there, on which blog posted appear either by order of publishing or by relevance. Down below are the contact pages, privacy policies, and relevant links. Next one, the sidebar highlights favorite entries and displays social profiles, call to action. Then next one, why blogger is a popular. It is an open source platform and available for free. It become a mainstream source of information. Through blogging, companies keep clients and customer up to date. Media files can be uploaded easily and quickly. It becomes big source of information sharing between political parties. Through a blog, visitors can comment and interact with you and your brand. You can also earn money through blogging. Next one is a hosting. Hosting means placing your web page on a internet. So after you can start and host a blog. Your blog means computer where you create the blog. So first one, name your blog. Naming a blog is one of the biggest tasks, because once you give a name, that become a future of that person or thing. In that, domain name is there. It is a web address like Facebook, Instagram. So it is a domain. Or for our school we have a Rotary EMS. It is our domain. In case of website, .com is a main domain, and the first one is the address. So next one is a web hosting, a service that contains your sites to the internet. web hosting is a computer where people store their website. Next point is a choose a blog builder or a blogging platform. So there are some blogging platforms are there, or we can call it as a templates are there. By using these templates you can design your blog. So there are some blogs such as WordPress is there. So is the one of the most popular free open source software blogging platform. There are no versions of WordPress. Next one is a e-blogger, or we can call it as a blogger, are sometimes considered the same. Blogger is a free publishing platform owned by the giant company Google. Blogspot is a free domain service provider owned by the same giant Google. Next one is a Tumblr. So is a blogging and social media tool that allow user to publish Tumblr or short blog post. And the last one for our syllabus we have a Weebly. So Weebly is a web host and online service that gives users the ability to create website. So next one, pick web host. So web hosting is what make your blog visible to others on the web. Without it, no one but you would ever seen your blog post. Link your domain name to your blog. If you built a blog site using any platform, and you can choose any of the blog hosting companies which support the platform to link your blog. Next one, design your blog, and the last one, publish your blog. In short, first you decide your domain name, then you design your blog by using various platforms available such as WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, etc. And once it is there, then you can host your site, design blog, and then publish it. Once you publish, then and then only it will visible to all users. Next one, how to creating blog account using WordPress. So there are open web browser, type there wordpress.com, click on the product tab and choose the blog to open. Blog window will shown. So create your blog and share your voice in minute. That is the tagline of that WordPress. So start your blog, then fill the relevant information and click on your create your account. Then the next one, create your account, confirmation now. Confirmation is over, then you click on blog option and press the continue button to open tell us about your blog, and there you can provide your blog related information such as a educational blog, personal blog, or a celebrity blog, etc. So I also suggest you create your own blog by using WordPress, or there are some free sites on that host you can create your own blog also. So naming blog site, so first you need to provide it, then select a design or a template for your blog site, just like we select for a Gmail or a Chrome theme is there, like that you select your theme, provide required information, make designing of it. So there are the administrative functions which you can see, it is called as a dashboard. So in dashboard you can post, in post, all post, add new post, categorize tags, etc. So here you can write your first blog post, add a about page, etc. So in case of your textbook they have given rural health, one education is there, one education template is there. So creating blog post, so create blog post, you just click on there, provide information about your blog, and finally you click on the publish it. So next one, add and insert image. So here also upload options are there. So move over the blog and click on a plus sign to pop up the blog options. Click on image button to upload image from your saved file media library, and then apply that image on your blogspot. So you can see in your textbook page number 242 there is a rural health, and for that they have provided image NRHM, that is the image inserted. Next one, previewing the blog, so means before publishing you can preview it. So you can click on preview button, and in that preview button you can select it, or you can see it. Once all is okay, then and then only you need to publish it. So next one, how to publish. So click on publish button just after preview button. This will open your blog in a new window as shown in a given figure. So click the update now button and publish it. So like that you can create your blog, you can design your blog, you can preview your blog, and finally you can publish your blog. Then the next one, exiting the WordPress blog window. So exit from the blog window, click on the upper profile and personal setting button from the right corner of the toolbar. This will open a profile page with navigation selection on the left of the screen, and click on the logout. So like that you can sign in to blog also. Open WordPress site, sign in, right corner, provide your email address or username with a particular password, click on login button, it will open your blog also. So today we have finished two sessions. One is about blog, and before that we have seen about the hangout or the instant messaging. Thank you.